Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are back to PaidToTask site. I want to show you how to do cash out. And before you do cash out, this is a very short video. I want to show you the most important offers to work on. You can work on revenue wall, this one here. They have very easy surveys. So if you don't have an account with a revenue wall, just click begin, create an account and begin to earn there. So you can begin. So this one of the offer wall called revenue wall. See, there are some surveys, you can do them. That's one of them, so use that one there. So another good offer wall to work on is AdSense Media as Ascent Media. So in every offer wall you have to register your account. So for this one you have to come to surveys and you have to fill up your profile in order to access surveys, and it applies in all the offer walls. So not be opening them, so that you can save a lot of time. So you can work on revenue wall, asset media. Tap research is going to be added very soon in the site. For theorem reach, it's not available for new users, but you can inbox the support to be enabled for your account. So you enable this offer wall for new users. If you want to access this offer wall, contact them on team@paidtotask.com and they are going to activate your account. That's about the theorem reach. But all the others like revenue wall, asset media, time wall, InBrain, Seso, Polfish, OneAds, Monerix, Precision Sample, and NoticMe and Survey Wall. All of them you can use them without having to contact their support, but don't do CPX and Bitrabs because they are prone to do a lot of reversals. Even if you do manual surveys, CPX and Bitrabs tend to do a lot of chargebacks. You can also try Routably for those people who like it. So before you even go to withdraw tutorial, I want us to do one survey to show you how to do one live survey. And before you even go there, this site they have some rules here. They say we enabled most typing of all asset media. You can take as many surveys you want, but follow all survey rules here. So if you click here, they're going to show you all the survey rules they provide for the website. For example, they say rules for completing survey: read and understand every question, always give long and meaningful full answers in survey, as I explained in my first video. So example question of a survey is, what you like in iPhone and why? So your answer should be like this: I love the design and features of iPhone. This one makes iPhone different from other phones. They have actually given you the rules for completing surveys. They have given you examples of how to give long and meaningful full answers. You can go through them here. The things you should not do: don't repeat same answers in every question. Never ignore the questions of survey, and don't speed up the survey. Do not select random options and answers without reading them. Yeah. So this basically are the main key points in answering surveys. So for now, let me try to do a live survey before I go to cash out. These are my endpoints points. This is my referrals. I only have 4 referrals for now. So let's go to Monerix. Let me try to do a live survey on Monerix for demonstration purposes. After you open Monerix, just click surveys. Then from here now, let us do a demo like this one. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. So I cashed out my money now, and I got paid as I showed in my previous screenshot. And if you go to my account now, history, my account cash history, you can see that I withdrew this amount, and I have been paid amount, so there is no more pending. And I withdraw cash, withdraw cash. There is initially it was in pending. You see, there is no pending. It was now completed. It has paid me to my Binance. Click here, view information. It will show you that withdraw request this amount, and it has been successful. Just received this amount, and I've showed you in my screenshot. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to register on PaidToTask, make sure you do manual surveys, and because they are the best, they are easy, and they are all use of proxy, but a high residential proxy. And wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video, guys. Thank you.